Indri, the singing giant of Madagascar. The Indri is one of the largest lemurs in the world, native to the rainforests of Madagascar. Known for its striking black and white fur, long limbs, and hauntingly beautiful calls, it is a true symbol of Madagascar's unique wildlife. Indris are herbivores, feeding on leaves, fruits, flowers, and seeds. Their strong jaws and specialized teeth allow them to chew tough leaves efficiently, while their long arms and legs help them leap gracefully between trees. These animals are highly social, living in small family groups. Vocal communication is a key part of their daily life. The Indri's eerie, echoing calls help mark territory, strengthen bonds, and coordinate movement through the forest canopy. Indris are adapted to life in the treetops, with powerful legs for leaping up to 10 meters between branches, excellent vision for spotting food and predators, and strong hands for gripping tree limbs. Their slow, deliberate movements help them conserve energy in nutrient-poor rainforest environments. Despite their limited range, Indris play a crucial ecological role by dispersing seeds and maintaining the health of Madagascar's forests. Their intelligence, social bonds, and acrobatic skills make them fascinating inhabitants of the treetops. Indris are living symbols of grace, vocal expression, and survival. Observing them leap through the canopy, forage for leaves, and call to each other reveals the clever strategies animals use to thrive in their environment. From gliding across treetops to singing haunting calls at dawn, Indris demonstrate that survival depends on agility, communication, and family bonds. A remarkable marvel of Madagascar's rainforests,